Hello students, now we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 5.2. Question is, in following APs find the missing term. See first term, first bit given 2 dash 26 means what is known to us. First term A is 2 and third term is 23 and 26. Using this we need to calculate second term. See how to solve this. First term is 2, third term is 26. Now for 26 we know how to find third term, that is A3, A plus n minus 1 into d, that is A plus 2d equals to 26. Now let us replace value of A in this. Hence we have 2 plus 2d is 26. Hence d is equals to 2d equals to 24, that is d equals to 12. Hence second term of AP is A plus D. How we calculated second term here? We know formula to find nth term, that is AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for second term n equals to 2, 2 minus 1 gives to 1. Hence second term will be A plus D. Let us replace the values now. We know value of A is 2. We know value of D is 12. Hence A plus D will be 2 plus 12, that is 14. Hence required answer is 14. Now let us solve next bit using same logic. For second bit, first term we want to calculate. Remember we want to calculate here value of A. A2 is given to us, that is 13. Now A3 we want to calculate. A4 is given 3. Now let us see how to calculate this. First note down what is the values known to us. A2 is given 13 and A4 is given 3. A2, how we can find the value of A2? That is A plus D. Now let us write A plus D equals to 13. Let it as equation number 1. Now secondly, as A4 is given 3, for A4 we can write A plus 3D equals to 3. Okay, let it as equation number 2. Now combine equation number 1 and 2. First will be A plus D equals to 13. Second will be A plus 3D equals to 3. Now let us subtract this. Hence minus 2D equals to 10. It implies D will be minus 5. Now substituting this value of D, that is equals to minus 5 in equation number 1. We have A plus, what was equation number 1? That is A plus A plus D equals to 13. Now as we replace the value of D as minus 5, hence we have A plus of minus 5 equals to 13. Hence A will be 13 plus 5, that is equals to 18. Now let us calculate third term. We know formula to find third term. A plus 2D, that is A, that is equals to 18 plus 2 as it is. D, let us replace it by minus 5. Hence we have 18 plus 2 in bracket minus 5, that is 18 minus 10 gives 8. Hence required answer is first term is 18 and third term will be 8. Now similarly let us solve third bit. For third bit we have given value of first term, that is A is known, that is 5. Second and third term we want to calculate. Fourth term is given 9 integer 1 by 2. Now let us see how to solve this. To solve this, first known values, that is A equals to 5. Fourth term 9 integer 1 by 2. 9 integer 1 by 2 can be written as 19 by 2. Now we know that fourth term can be calculated as A plus n minus 1, that is the 4 minus 1, 3D. Hence A plus 3D, which is given 19 by 2. Now let us replace value of A in it, that is 5 plus 3D equals to 9 by 2. Hence 3D will be 19 by 2 minus 5, that is 19 minus 10 by 2, that gives 9 by 2. Hence after simplification, D will be 19 by 2 into 3, that is 3 by 2. Okay, now once we know value of A and D, we can easily calculate any term of AP. See second term, A2 will be calculated as A plus n minus 1. Now value of n will be 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Hence A2 will be A plus D, that is equals to A 5 plus D, that is 3 by 2. After simplification we get it as 3 integer 1 by 2. Similarly, let us calculate value of third term. Third term can be calculated as A plus 2D, that is A plus A, that is 5, 2, D, that is 3 by 2. After simplification 2 and 2 can be cancelled out. Hence we have 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3, that is 8. Hence third term will be 8. Now let us move to next question. For fourth question, see, for fourth question, first term is given minus 4. Second term we want to calculate. Third, fourth and fifth term we want to calculate. And sixth term is given to us, that is 6. Okay. Now, A is minus 4. Now, for sixth term, how we can write? Sixth term, that is A6, can be written as A plus 5D, which is given as 6. Now, let us replace value of A here, that is minus 4 plus 5D equals to 6. After simplification 5D equals to 10, hence D is equals to 2. Okay, now once we know value of A and D, we can calculate any term. Now let us calculate value of A2 here. A2 will be A plus D, that is minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Now A3 can be calculated as A plus 2D, minus 4 plus 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 4 minus 4 gives 0. Now A4 can be calculated as A plus 3D, that is minus 4 plus 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 4 plus 6 gives 2. Now let us calculate A5. A5 can be calculated as A plus 4D, that is minus 4 plus 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 minus 4 gives 4. Hence required terms are minus 2, 0, 2 and minus plus 4. Okay. Similarly, let us calculate fifth bit. For fifth bit, we don't know value of first term, that is A. Second term A2 is given 38. Third term, fourth term, fifth term we want to calculate. Sixth term is given minus 22. Let us see how to calculate this. Second term can be, we know second term can be written as A plus D, that is given 38. Let us name this as equation number 1. Now sixth term is given minus 22. We know that sixth term can be written as A plus 5D, that is 22. Now combine equation number 1 and 2 and subtract it. After subtracting, plus A minus A get cancelled. We have here D and minus 5 gives minus 4D equals to 38 plus 22 gives 60. Hence minus 4D will be 60. After simplification we have D equals to minus 15. Okay. I hope you are getting this. Now once we get the value of A and D, we can easily calculate any of the term. Now first term, that is after replacing value of D in equation number 1, we have A plus minus 15 equals to 38. Hence A will be 53. Now first term is 53. Let us calculate third term. Third term is given by A plus 2D. A is 53 plus 2 into D is minus 15. Now after simplification 53 minus 30 gives 23. Now fourth term is given by A plus 3D. A, that is 53 minus 3 into D minus 15 gives minus 45. After simplification we have fourth term A4 equals to 8. Similarly, let us calculate value of fifth term, that is A5. A5 is given by A plus 4D, that is 53 minus 60, that is minus 7. I hope you are getting this. This is all about question number 3rd of exercise 5.2. Okay.